We are following a breaking news alert now. Metro leaders say some tornado sirens did not work during last night's storm. Alicia Wimberly is at the WKRN.com alert desk with the details. Alicia.
Well, that's right, Kendall. The Nashville Office of Emergency Management says the batteries died on some of the sirens. OEM officials tell us the sirens triggered as intended when the National Weather Service issued those warnings. But after multiple back-to-back warnings, some batteries were just drained out. Once the batteries drained, the sirens did not restart in areas experiencing some power outages. And one lone siren in Palmer Park had a communications failure. A repair team is working on that siren today. Officials remind everyone it's important to have multiple ways to receive weather alerts. One of those methods can be our free News 2 weather app. Kendall.